Hello, all my beautiful, gorgeous friends out there. We have time for just one more quick unboxing for October. I think this is the last one for the month, and it's Love Lula. Now, if you remember, Love Lula was the winner of the Comparison September Beauty Box review last month, where we compared Glossy Box, Birchbox, and Love Lula. And the reason why I put them together is because for me, they all fit within £13, including shipping, price range. So it does vary a little bit, and Love Lula, you have to pay up front. So it's a little bit of a different payment system, but even still, they kind of even out to be the same price point, varied per the value of the box, if that makes sense. So anyway, let's get to it and open up our Love Lula box. No design. Oh boy, I love Love Lula. I'm so excited. So apparently there is a Love Lula group on Facebook where you can get some feedback, which is cool. Ooh, it's a heavy box again. So just like in terms of liquid milliliters, this box always has double, triple, or quadruple the amount of product that a Birchbox or a Glossy Box does. So I am actually wondering if I should just do a Glossy Box versus Birchbox review. It's almost not fair at this point. What do you guys think? Maybe Love Lula is just a class of its own. I have to put this down. It's very heavy, but let's go through the items. So first item is an eye cream, Laid Bare. Pack your bags, lighten and tighten eye cream, anti-aging, gluten-free. Cool, I don't have an eye cream yet, but I'm getting up there. I just turned 35 this month, so gotta start prepping for the anti-aging. But I only look like I'm 35, right? The main ingredient is buckwheat wax, which is an ingredient to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Shea butter to hydrate. Eye Bright helps reduce appearance of redness and brightens up the skin. Okay, we had a little interruption. Yeah, it doesn't have any flavor. Doesn't have any scent or perfume or fragrance, so it's very perfectly mild, sensitive formula. I guess I do have an eye cream. I did get an eye cream in another Love Lula box, and I have been using that, which has been nice. I guess it's been good. I haven't really noticed much of a difference either way, but it's nice to have something to moisturize. I haven't put it on my eyelid. Is that normal? But I'm looking forward to trying this too. This seems like a little thicker of a formula than the previous one I got from Love Lula, so probably better for winter and dry skin and all of that stuff. Ooh, another facial oil with rosehip and lavender. For those prone with eczema, dry or itchy skin, psoriasis, or dermatitis. I do tend to get eczema in the winter. Ooh, look at that lovely size. Love Lula is always rocking with the full size. Ooh, that's a nice, gentle scent. I can definitely smell the rosemary, but it's not overpowering. Oh my goodness. I feel so spoiled now for these beautiful face oils that I've been getting. I'm gonna be so glamorous on a dime because of these subscription boxes. Guys, you gotta get Love Lula. I don't think at this point I even have to sell you on it, right? Like, this is amazing. Oh, it's gorgeous. Next, we have a tiny sample. Masa Youth Defense Hydration Antioxidant Day Cream. So this is definitely a single use. I tend to use a lot of cream, so I don't even know if this will cover my whole face, but I'll give it a try. For the little samples, they don't even say much about them. They just say there's an assorted sample. Usually, the last 2 months, it's been a body wash. So this is a blueberry and vitamin E day cream. We'll give that a try. Look at this big old box. What? How cute is that? Little seahorse. Ooh, it's a body lotion. Heck yeah! Last time I got a full-size Madara Lemony Neurotransmitter Happiness Lotion. It's so good. I've been using it almost every day, and I'm really glad I got another one because I thought I might actually run out. It's cute on the inside too. Hello. gorgeous, amazing, full-size body lotion in Uplift using eucalyptus oil to stimulate circulation, lime to energize the body, and lavender to refresh the senses. Oh my gosh, I wish I had this last month when I had a cold. I was looking for anything eucalyptus that I had in the house. Ooh, that's so lovely. Yes, I can smell the eucalyptus. Oh my gosh. If you have like a cold or flu this season, this would probably feel so refreshing. I would even mix this with my magnesium oil and use it as a muscle rub. Oh my gosh. I'm stoked. This is naturally fragranced with 100% essential oils, which is fantastic because fragrance and me do not get along. This is amazing, you guys. Ooh, I've seen this before. So a lot of the other beauty vloggers I follow got Dr. Botanicals either in their vegan kind box, or some of them get them in their latest in beauty box. I have not tried this before, but I've seen this brand because of other beauty box subscriptions. So way to go, Dr. Botanicals, on getting your brand out there. This is a cocoa and coconut, reviving hydrating mask. We all know a girl loves a mask. Cool. 10-minute hydrating facial mask restores skin naturally. Ooh, fun. And this is at least 2 uses. At least 3 uses, probably. Ooh, it smells like an ocean breeze. Is that right? Or is it just because I've mixed everything together now? Yeah, to me it smells like an ocean breeze. It's fabulous. We have another mask. I'm so excited. Guys, my skin by Christmas is gonna be absolutely bonkers amazing because of all of these different things I'm trying. I love it so much. So please, you tell me, how do those other 2 boxes compare to this one, honestly? These are not dinky sample sizes. Like I've said before, these are full-size products. There's at least 3 full-size products. I don't know if the mask is full-size, but for an eye cream, that looks like a typical eye cream size to me. And definitely facial oil and the lotion. This says the total value of the box is £59, but honestly, I think they undersell themselves because I know Birchbox and Beautybox say that they're, well, I don't know, Birchbox doesn't really say. Glossybox often is around between the 40 and 60 pound range, but that's really iffy because of how, depending on what size their samples are that they're sending in. But this is what you would buy in Love Lula's shop, and they send it to you in your subscription box. So guys, I don't even really know if I should even compare it at the end of the month with Glossybox and Birchbox. They're just completely different animals. What do you think? I love it. I'm so excited to use all of these items. I will add another review at the end of the month of this box, whether it's part of a 3-box Who's the Winner review or an individual review just on products. I'm not sure yet. I have to think about it. I love this box. I totally recommend it. It works out to be about £14 a month, even though you have to pay up front. It's fabulous. I love it. I hope you check it out. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what I'm doing right. If you have any tips on like really easy technical things that I can do differently, let me know. I'm still working on the background. Leave me some feedback. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I would love to get to 100 subscribers so that I could have a custom URL. Right now I have to share a crazy, silly link with everybody that I want to see the channel. Please spread the word. I love you and I appreciate you all so much.